Every single day, thousands of first-time flyers walk into an airport trusting that the system will guide them through it. It won't. Airlines, airport staff, and security agencies all operate by a set of silent rules. Rules they know by heart, rules that directly affect your trip, and rules they have absolutely no obligation to explain to you. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 15 of those airport secrets. Starting with the one mistake that gets more first-time flyers denied boarding than any other single error. These aren't travel hacks pulled from a blog. These are the actual procedures airports and airlines run on every flight, the insider knowledge experienced travelers picked up the hard way, and the first-time flying tips that almost never make it into the official guides. By the end of this video, you'll know what's actually happening around you in every airport you walk into. That changes everything. Let's get into it. Secret 1. Your passport needs more validity than you think. Most first-time international flyers check one thing about their passport: is it expired? That's not enough. Dozens of countries require your passport to be valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. The airline knows this rule. Their check-in system flags it automatically. But by the time it comes up, you're already at the airport, your bag is packed, and there is nothing anyone can do. Check your passport expiration date before you book, not the morning of your flight. Secret 2. International check-in closes earlier than you think. Domestic flights give you some margin. International flights don't. Check-in counters for international departures typically close 60 to 90 minutes before takeoff, sometimes earlier. If you arrive outside that window, a confirmed ticket means nothing. You will not be allowed to check in. For any international trip, arrive at least 3 hours before departure. It is better to wait at the gate than explain to someone why you missed a non-refundable flight. Secret 3. Gate agents can change your seat for free. Most passengers never ask your seat assignment is not final until the door closes. Gate agents have full access to the seat map, including rows airlines block for sale until close to departure, exit rows, bulkhead seats, and sometimes seats closer to the front of the cabin. A polite request 30 to 45 minutes before boarding costs nothing. If the flight has open inventory, many agents will move you without hesitation. First-time flyers almost never know this. Experienced travelers use it on every single flight. Secret 4. Airport lounges don't require a premium credit card. Most first-time flyers assume airport lounges are only for business class passengers or premium cardholders. That is exactly what airlines want you to think. Many lounges sell day passes, typically between $30 and $50 per visit, and lounge networks like Priority Pass offer single-visit access that any traveler can purchase in advance. On a long travel day, that's quiet seating, free food, fast Wi-Fi, and clean bathrooms for less than the cost of a terminal meal. The airline will never mention it. Now you have it. Secret 5. Flight delay compensation is legally owed. Airlines never offer it first. If your flight is significantly delayed or canceled due to factors within the airline's control, a mechanical issue, a staffing problem, a scheduling failure, you may be legally entitled to compensation, meal vouchers, or free rebooking. Airlines are required to provide this. They are not required to announce it or offer it before you ask. Walk to the gate desk and ask directly, "What am I entitled to under your conditions of carriage?" That one phrase changes the entire conversation. Secret 6. The volunteer bump payout is negotiable. When a flight is oversold, airlines ask for volunteers to take a later departure in exchange for compensation. What they offer first is almost never their best offer. A $200 travel voucher or a few thousand miles is a starting point, not a ceiling. If the flight is badly oversold and boarding time is running short, that number goes up. Ask what the maximum compensation is. Ask if it converts to cash. If your schedule has flexibility, this is one of the most valuable conversations most travelers never know to have. Secret 7. Your checked bag is being tracked, but airlines won't tell you until you complain. Most major airlines use RFID or barcode scanning to track bags at almost every point in the system. They know exactly where your luggage is, but that information is not automatically shown to passengers. If your bag is delayed, the default move is often to wait for you to file a report. Before you travel, download your airline's app. Many now include real-time bag tracking. If the carousel is empty and the app shows nothing, go directly to the baggage desk before leaving the airport, not the next morning. Secret 8. Your boarding pass barcode contains more than your name. That barcode on your boarding pass encodes your full booking reference, fare class, seat assignment, and in some cases your frequent flyer tier and upgrade eligibility. If someone photographs that barcode, even partially, they can access your booking. Never post your boarding pass on social media before your flight. The barcode is the key. Once it's out, you can't take it back. Secret 9. TSA PreCheck may already be on your boarding pass. TSA PreCheck doesn't always require active enrollment on your end. Some airlines automatically apply known traveler number matching if your name appears in the database from a previous enrollment from a card benefit you forgot about, or from a global entry application. Before you join the standard security line, check your boarding pass for the letters TSA Pre printed in the header. If it's there, you go to the dedicated lane. No removing shoes, no pulling out your laptop, no removing your liquids bag. Most first-time flyers walk straight past that lane without ever checking. Secret 10. Carry-on enforcement is inconsistent. Airlines have official carry-on size limits, but enforcement is selective by design. On underbooked flights, oversized bags pass without comment. On full flights, especially popular routes during peak season, gate agents receive instructions to enforce bag checks aggressively because overhead bin space is the actual constraint. If you're flying a popular route this summer, measure your carry-on before you leave the house. A gate check fee and an unexpected stop at baggage claim is not in most people's travel plans. Secret 11. You can drink free water at every airport. TSA's liquid rules apply to what you bring through security, not to what you fill once you're past it. Bring an empty, reusable bottle. Every major US airport has water refill stations past the security checkpoint, most of them near the gates. Most first-time flyers buy expensive bottled water out of habit. That habit adds up across every trip you ever take. Secret 12. Flight tracking apps show you exactly where your plane is before your flight departs. The aircraft assigned to your route is already trackable in real time. Apps like FlightAware or FlightRadar 24 let you search your flight number and see where the plane currently is, whether it's already at your gate, still in the air from a previous city, or running late out of another airport. If it's behind schedule, you'll often know before the airline updates the departure board. Secret 13. Overhead bins ahead of your row fill slower. When passengers board, the natural instinct is to stow your bag directly above your seat. Because of this, bins behind your row fill faster than the ones in front. If your overhead bin is already full, look forward, not back. Bins a few rows ahead are frequently still open. Stow there and walk back to your seat. It is faster, less stressful, and keeps your bag in the cabin instead of the cargo hold. Secret 14. Meal vouchers during long delays are a policy. On delays of 3 hours or more that are within the airline's control, most major US carriers are required under their own conditions of carriage to provide meal vouchers. This is not a favor, it is a written policy. But airlines do not announce it over the PA. The passenger who asks directly gets lunch. The passenger who waits quietly usually gets nothing. Walk to the gate desk and ask specifically. Secret 15. Gate numbers change silently. Gate changes happen more often than most passengers realize. And they do not always trigger an announcement. Airlines push gate change notifications through their apps in real time. But if you're not watching your phone, you may be sitting at the wrong gate while your flight boards somewhere else entirely. Before you sit down, verify your gate number in the airline's app, not just on the terminal board. Check again 30 minutes before boarding. 15 rules. All of them are procedures airports and airlines operate by every single day. None of them are on a sign. Most first-time flyers learn them slowly through delayed flights, lost bags, and missed opportunities that didn't need to happen. Now you have them before you ever step foot in a terminal. That is what AirWise HQ is here for. Subscribe, and every week you get one more layer of how air travel actually works, the rules, the rights, and the insider moves that make every trip smoother. See you in the next one. Drop a comment below. Which of these 15 secrets did you already know, and which one are you using on your next flight? I'd love to know.